good afternoon everyone, and sir, good afternoon. So this is our research entitled Study of Strength and Durability Carbon Fiber Composite in Reinforced Concrete. So I'm Kim C. Balansay. Then earlier, my partner Miss Harlene Tabahonda shared the abstract and introduction. So let me share to you the material and methodology along with the literature. So let's first tackle the literature. So jute fiber has been explored as a potential reinforced material in concrete. A review article entitled Performance of Concrete Reinforced with Jute Fibers, known as natural fibers, discuss the use of jute fiber in concrete. So, durability but reduce the fluidity of concrete like synthetic fibers. There is limited research on durability but reduce the reinforce. The optimum percentage of jute fiber in concrete varies from 1% to 2% depending on the fiber length and the diameter. So let's proceed the material and methodology. The locally available raw jute fiber shown in figure. So as you can see, there is different in sizes. As you can see at the first, that is the 10 millimeter cut, then 15 up to 25 cutting. So in concrete mix design is the selection of mixed ingredients and their proportion. So required in a concrete mix, the mix design involved that amount of cement, fine aggregates, and also coarse aggregates. Then V available and relationship between water-cement ratio and the target strength must be known, since the objective of the study is to investigate the effect incorporating jute fiber on the mechanical properties of concrete. So ano ba itong mga ratio na to? So what are the sample ratio? So by the cement, sand, brick, chips by volume of 1:2 and 4. And next, 1:1.5 1:3. So water cement ratio by weight of 0.60 and 0.55 continuously maintained. So mixing performance to obtain better arrangement of jute, finally jute fiber of 10, 15, 20, and 25 millimeter in lengths, width of 0.01, 0.25, 0.50, and 0.75% volume dosing. So makikita natin yung table 1 is the preparation for the test specimen. So yan, i-zoom ko lang. The different parameters of concrete composite, the length and the volume fraction of the jute fiber content. We use the different length of fiber, 10, 15, 20, and 25 mm. Contents of 0.01, 0.25, 0.50, 0.75%. We use 3 different specimen groups, which is the 150 mm times 150 mm times 150 mm. The precision, which is the 450 mm and times again the 150 mm and 150 mm and zero. Next is the experimental program. The present study consists of determining the flexural, compressive, and tensile strength of concrete composite with jute fiber and was compared to those plain concrete. So, ang universal testing machine, which is the model UTN 100, India So, sa India po to. Capacity which is 980 kilonewton for tensile test and an automatic compression testing machine which is MA test SR, Italy capacity of 3,000 kilonewton. Shown Italy capacity 150 kilonewton for flexural test was used. So, ito po siya. So, ang tawag po dito is automatic compression testing machine. So, compressive strength of concrete is a measure of its ability to resist static load. So, dito po natin ma-measure ang resist niya sa mga static load, which is yung mga load po na hindi po natin ginagalaw or hindi gumagalaw. The later one tends to crush it. Testing of compressive strength is the most common, many desirable characteristic of concrete and related to its strength. It's the most common. So, ito po yung pinaka-common na kailangan i-test sa mga ganitong construction materials. So, next is the flexural strength testing. Flexural strength of concrete is measure of its ability to resist bending. So, one of the most important din to. So, because it tests the ability to resist bending. Yung hindi po siya mababaliko. Yan. So, next natin is yung tensile testing, which is investigation of concrete mechanical properties can be presented reasonably through the analysis of tensile strength. So, ayan siya. So, baba nito yung mga test results. So, makikita natin. So, andito yung days. Ayan, 7 days, 14 days, 21 days, then 28 days. So, dito sa gilid, makikita natin yung 0 to 35. Yan po yung MPa, which is the compressive strength. So, next is the another. So, relative compressive strength. So, another one siya. Diagram. Hindi ko alam. Yan. Jute fiber, which is have 7 days. So, sa 7 days, ito siya. Naglalay siya sa 40 to 60%. Then, 14 days is going to 60%. Hanggang sa 28 days, hanggang ma-reach na po yung compressive strength niya. So, next, figure number 7. Depict the SP of concrete with variable proportion of jute fiber. Noted that the SP kung enhanced with jute fiber up to 0.10%. Addition then decrease with further addition. Shown that the addition of 2% fibers by volume may boost the SP of concrete. So, ito po siya. Yan, dito naman po, itong table na to is the tensile strength. So, makikita po natin, i-zoom in ko lang. Yan. So, sa baba niya ulit po, yan po yung mga days. Then, yung mga recent testing po na ginawa ng ibang researcher. So, next na natin. Ito na dyan, flexural strength. Figure number 9, ito po siya. Pakita ko na lang po yung iba. Flexural strength again. Then CS and FF. Then ito, one of the most important, the water absorption of concrete. So, density. So, figure depicts the comparison of bulk density of concrete reinforced with various amounts of nylon and jute fiber. The maximum density was calculated to be 2,388 kg cubic meter when no nylon jute fiber were used in concrete at 28 days. So, yan. The lowest density was estimated to be 2,300 kilogram or cubic meter when 2% nylon or jute fiber were used concrete at 28 days respectively. So, yan po. Ito siya. Yung percentage ng fibers, then yung density. Then, on summary, so, the natural fiber known in the Philippines as saluyot. So, gulay siya, kinakain natin siya, masarap siya, masustansya siya. So, pero di natin alam, ito pala ay isang uri ng fiber. Has a good potential to be effective in mixing to reinforced concrete. So, jute fiber is one of the most popular reinforced material in terms of sustainability and low cost. The focus of this research given the strength and durability by mixing jute fiber in reinforced concrete. Jute fiber in reinforced concrete help to reduce fluidity of the concrete by adding jute fiber and reinforced concrete. This also enhances the hardness of the concrete in a large surface. In addition of jute fiber, the mechanical strength and compressive flexible strength increase. Maximum compressive strength in 28 days was observed at 2% addition at jute fiber, which is 20% more than control concrete. In durability, focus on water absorption and use of instead of synthetic. However, some other researcher, sa ibang researcher found that jute fiber reinforced concrete is a poor, and some other studies and research like we did is jute fiber has a very good performance in mixing to reinforced concrete. So, using fiber in reinforced concrete is interesting approach that combines the strength of concrete and eco-friendly properties of natural fibers. So, sa baba niya, so makikita natin dito yung references, then different acknowledges, then personal information. So, thank you guys. Thank you po.
Wala na akong masuot.
Uy, may fashion suit styles on Shopee.